Hello, how to solve for s from this given nice equation 9 to the power of s is equal to 36. Then here, let's take the log of both sides. We have log 9 to the power of s is equal to log 36. Now, if you have log of a to the power of b, is same thing as b log a. Then this can be written as s log 9 is equal to log 36. Now let's divide both sides by log 9 divided by log 9. This will cancel this. S is equal to log 36 over log 9. Then S is equal to log 36 can be written as log 9 multiplied by 4 divided by this log 9. Take note of this. If you have log A multiplied by B, this is the same thing as log A plus log B. Then this can be written as S is equal to log 9 plus log 4. Now let's divide this by log 9. This divided by log 9. Then this divided by this, that is 1. S is equal to 1 plus log 4 over log 9. Now S is equal to 1 plus log 4 can be written as log 2 square divided by log 9 can be written as log 3 square. S is equal to 1 plus 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 3. But log 2 is equal to 0.3010 and log 3 is equal to 0.4771. Therefore, S is equal to 1 plus this 0.3010 divided by 0.4771. Then S is equal to 1 plus, if you divide this by this, we have 0.6309. Then if you add this together, S is equal to 1.6309. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 9 to the power of s is equal to 36. Then when x is 1.6309, we have 9 to the power of 1.6309 must be equal to 36. Then 9 to the power of 1.6309, this is 35.997, which is approximately 36 is equal to 36, which is true at s is equal to 1.6309. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.